Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are putting on another wig, girl, and I'm actually showing you the finished product first so you don't have to wait to the end of the video. This hair today is from Wiggins hair. I am wearing a 26-inch loose deep wave wig. You guys, this hair is so pretty, but let's get started. I'm just gonna throw on a wig cap, and I'm just using a wig cap to hold my hair that's out away. So yeah, here's the wig. I did already wash the wig. I bleached the knots as well, and I accidentally over bleached the knots. So don't be like me. I'm just showing you what it looks like. It's fixable, but we'll do that another time. So the wig is on. I did get a 5x5 HD lace wig, so it's not a full lace, it's just a lace closure area, and I just feel like that works best for me because I do have like a low hairline. So when I get like the frontal wigs, it's really just like a waste of space for real because I'm not doing anything with it basically. So love this for me and my little forehead. But yeah, I'm gonna be quiet for now. So yeah, we're practically done, but I don't want the top of my hair to be straight and then go into like the loose deep waves. So I'm just gonna take my crimper, waver, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just gonna add some texture to the top so it's like gradual. So yeah, this is the finished look, and I actually don't mind either side. The waves will start to fall and it'll look, really nice and effortlessly. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to list the link for the crimper down below, as well as Wiggins hair information. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.